lemonade and ice cream. And it's almost summer and I'm so excited to make it. So let's start and make I'll make it. Let's go. Guys, these are the ingredients we need. So cranberry juice and some salt, of course, and some sugar and some lemon. So I will squeeze it. I'm gonna mix some salt in here, right? We mixed it. Now we keep it. Then next we take some sugar. I'll take a lot of sugar because a lot of sugar we need because it has to be sugarish like that, this much, and we pour it just like that. So guys, let's move on to the next one. Guys, I'm gonna pour this cranberry juice in the lemon juice. So pour it slowly because I will not let it fall. There. All of it, okay guys? Don't just throw half of it. Just like that. So we have our pink cranberry juice now. So let's do the next thing. Now I'll stir a little bit. So let's like that. So now we are gonna pour this, but take some water, guys. So let's pour the cranberry juice in here. So let's pour it slowly, guys, okay? Slowly, like that. So look at it. It looks cute, isn't it? I think it's gonna taste good. So let's go. So now let's taste it. It's good, I think. Guys, try this at home. It's so good. It's the world's best pink lemonade juice ever. So make it in your own house. Good. So guys, now we're gonna make ice cream, and here are the ingredients. So here is cream, then condensed milk and cocoa powder. But first we have to pour in the cream. So the cream we're gonna finish this. So we're gonna pour it in the bowl like that. Come out! Look at that water. It's like so watery. Look at that! I didn't know that was so watery. It looks like you're squeezing it too much. Wow, that's too much. Gotta hold it. It takes me a lot of energy because it's kind of hard to pack it because it's plastic. So I think we are done. Right? Like that. Oh my god, look at this packet. It's so flat. So okay guys, here's the cream amount we need. A lot of course. So next we are gonna give milkmaid. So I'm gonna pour some condensed milk in here. So slowly, very slowly. Like that. Whoa! Look at that beautiful. It's bye bye. I think they're saying goodbye. They're so cute babies. They're like babies. Get in. Get in. Okay guys, now we are done pouring the condensed milk. So here's the texture we need. But we have to mix 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder like this. Like, get in, get in, get in. That way. Now, just put more like that. Then we whisk it like this. Ooh, look at this color. It's so beautiful. beautiful. It looks like real chocolate now. I want to make chocolate now. It's like so good looking. Some more. It's so chocolatey color. We have to mix a lot of times. Oh, this is so much longer than I thought. So, like that. And look at the color. It's so beautiful. I like this color. So we whisked it. Now let's go to now let's put it in the fridge. Guys, we're gonna put in this in the freezer for 8 hours. So let's open that. Like a lot of stuff in here. I don't know where to keep it. I think I'll keep it here. And I'll slowly a little bit slowlier. Like so guys, it's been 8 hours and I have to take the ice cream out. So I'm so excited to eat. Yum! Let's go. Guys, this is the ice cream and I took it out of this fridge right now. So let's taste it. I'm so excited. Look at it's hardened. Whoa. And it's kind of sticky, but it's okay. Let's try. Yeah. Guys, let's taste it. Oh my god. Look at this. See? It's so good. It's the best thing ever. Try it at home. I'll try one scoop. Wow, it's so good. I didn't know that it would be so good. It's so good. So guys, try it at home because it works. It's homemade. And bye-bye. Guys, subscribe and like if you like the video and comment down below what flavor you like.